Now let's see the other things like extracting text, creating new columns. So here, if you want to extract text, just a minute, let's choose transform. So here we have the extract option. So we can extract a few characters, first few characters or a few length of the thing. Okay. So let's take this column, outdoor. So here let us extract. So length. Now, are you able to see here? When we have performed any transformation under this transform, the transformation occurs in the original column itself. Are you all getting? Transformation is happening in the original column itself. Okay. Whereas if you do the same activity in add column, okay. So here let us do extract on this column, on the retail type 2 column. Let's do extract length. Now, are you able to see extra column has been added? So the original column shop has been retained. All of you, are you able to understand the difference between transform and add column? When we use add column, new column will be added and the transformation will take place in the new column. Original column will be remaining intact. Okay, it will not change. But when we use the transform menu, under transform, whatever transformation we do, so it will do the transformation in the existing column itself. So it will not retain the original values. Okay. So this is for extracting. So if you want to extract some value, say a few characters from this, you can click add column, extract first character, say first 2 characters. So you can see here first 2 characters SH, ST, okay, ST, SH, RE. You can see here. You can also just pull down this. You can see different values, unique values. Okay, MA, RE, SH, ST. So we can do the other transformations while practicing. Okay.